556 na 0205 572 076 0205 572 076 so pomo a kuma so do wani chemu ado atoma salachi omo nebe na report junction kaswa ne nkrantam no kaswa new market road no Fidelity Bank abanso no first floor on sabe Combrana Trinity of Akemwa na ne manko yepa ntimi afama yewramu ewo bosome fofromu enche school fo bebie na meka school fo na ajeze nei betu nkoma na me no ba ngaba bedi enche Premier League no aka na kakra bi na ebo modern etimi ahase La Liga amuni tensia na de omode aba ni yesi ne yeboa na ne ma de din na nso no atena kese jackpot no etimi ama usika bebre mu nkoma no simple www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na aboa na hyehyɛ na da yepa etimi ediama na se nete okwa 17 selected matches so 1 CD 50% they call Aquaco to each Fred Bawa, Unya 16.5 million Ghana city. They toss me no and see 13 selected matches are or 1 city near to HFR 2.7 billion and Kanisika on Kwao de Quata no tapping Yadudo Wepia, goalkeeper them Odianes or Kashim 50% at be to HFR or Bomodina 5,000 Ghana city and Kanisika 50 million. Timepacho no be do hina na jeze Bertway at Tanakesi jackpot no when you do feed what you qualify the Queen Mundua and found Kujazanza Grono and Pinfuni di Edin Yeboa, Manema Kuye Kama pa, Etimi Ramantisa Pepe, Edemun Comono Esiatia, Ene di Ramuna Buana Sheno, Akuyu Sono Netimi Ediamana Store, Edamu Promo Nuguswa Ekoso, a Vodafone or Masweye Nankomone de, Nina Soda star 110 hash star 110 hash na Obo Homodin, Etimi talk credit if you wallet no swa, Yabo Modia from 5 Ghana City de Kono, Sikabia de Betubiano, Yedimu 20% Esan Baba to wale no so to auto credit number no obon se partner jeze demu etimi edema wo send the mobia obon se partner no so no edemu etimi edema na kama pa mun komo no ya de identify wo hwemi nemboa mane man koye pen famanti star 110 hash star 110 hash no abomoden etimi de disa adwumade no mo se nei edemu promo nwom no obomoden didi asa atwa ho fabra beto tintan video no set TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and our Facebook now hashtag Vodafone Ghana. O hashtag Vodafone Ghana. Brianna was a gamma. Omane Samsung Ghana and Shishia. Obetimia phones, Ebu a year pulse Ebeko, Etimira Vodafone further together. Nanema did the pre Timira Manra. And at the Ghana Premier League, 2023-2024. Yabo Modia Neko Chintunta Fishes and Etimia Babontina Munkomono, and the General Secretary of the Ghana Football Association. Edirira Mukakra, Echeche, and Sema Dwana and Shishia.
The season will start the weekend of 15 to 18 September 2023. We'll end the first round the weekend of December 29th to January
2024.
1st January. So that will be the end of the first round. The league will go on a break for the AFCON in Ivory Coast. And then we'll come back to play match day 18, which is the start of the second round, the weekend of 23rd to 26th February 2024. The league will eventually come to an end on match day 34, the weekend of 15-16 June 2024. So that's your league.
Atiano ya command no pay pana bomb de timere to ya wache chom ti okano enance league ne yere no say 15th to 18th September and e be shase after no ye beba na akwa homigiem on the 29th December 2023 na yakwa kobo afcon abanti ye koba the 18 e be san shase 23rd 26th February na fe league ne de be wi kra no enso e be wuramu na cheze no ye ma the 34 the 15th 16 June 2024 na abo na hye na koye pa etimi ediamenti week 1 no or said among community here, Media Mabeba Accra Lions, Legon City Somo, Airbo Karela United, Real Tamale United, Ebo, Heart to Folk, Insiataman FC, Ebo Bichim United FC, Sama Test 1986 Somo, Ebo Diana Football Club, Dreams FC, Ebo Nations FC, Asante Koroko FC, Ebo Panda Art of France, and Afri Great Olympics Somo, Ebo Bofo Aquatano, and Abrikum Chelsea Sono, Ebo Bieni Gold Stars, and two Bababe, the two non so matches are, and also Ebeje Penena, Etimi Akumno, Accra Lions, bebo Legon Cities, Bechem United ball, Dreams FC, Diana bebo Mediama, Karela United bebo, Brekum Chelsea, Bibiani Gold Stars ewa Santi Koroko Lions bebo, Great Olympics na Nations FC, Ombebo FC Samante Folk, Airborne Shatemana FC na Bofo Kwatano, Abo Real Tamale United, Tisa Pepe, and also no Isiete, Asante Koroko, my first 5 games, day 1 no, Omobo home to Pando, Heart of Lions, day 2 away to Bibiani Gold Stars, day 3 home Momone Karela and Edbebweni, day 4 away to Accra Lions, and at day 5 home Momone Adriana Football Club, Nedbebweni, Heart of Folk, Omonso, my first 5 games, Mat day 1, Omobekwa away, Aqua Kobo against team from RTU, now day 2 Omabo Shatemana FC, day 3 Ombebo Bofo Akwatano, and at day 4 Mabo Dreams FC, na day 5 Ebe against Pando Heart of Lions. So the big teams, it's a pepe no Moshisheno, it's here Tia Nina Ramo, Etimiera, Abdul Karim Zitu, Coach Jamo, Erema Dreams FC, no Pimpane Dinkomo, era from Africa, no more como targeter, Idomudi Ramsey, no Abomodi, Etimiera Tuja.
Please, the target set is to be among the. You have to be in the group stage. Okay. That is the first target for the team. So they being also experiencing the first, we are on them with Milo. So if they are able to overcome this Milo, it also advertise their skills outside for people to see them. Because at the end of the day, there's a purpose of why you play football, financially to be acute. And then this is an open marketing for you to go and showcase your brand of football.
Etiano your command coach Abdul Karim Zito Bomode to your target and some Ramo El group state no use a mile for no most ready kia or mobile bubini. Tis all more pepe, tia also more konomoko, eco coco dene boamana dead year. Baby Zans and recruitment once a seven saying city of Africa no qua, use on your quality I don't make age.
I don't want to recruit too much for Africa because of consistency. Consistency goes with quality. So if you want quality, you have to be consistent. In view of that, we are going with a lesser players. The majority of them will be the old players.
Etiano ya komo bomo de tu judges o mon kon koto player hu bia na ambe na ne nkwade bitimi dwoma na so aye dwuma no ya fa bia hye no makwa akwa amanema adede da mama FC Samates Nuruddin SU coach Jamo ere mom na Nuruddin Amadu on pre-season o mo shase no wadidi di onko Accra say no so abomo de atu
shase o ba ya at least e ba me ba de na obia ni ho a why lazy and why you know free training or an behavior say I'm very motivated and that is a very positive sign. Local places not excuses are not them for so this is the time I say normal or more at my journal I see say we are require one and matches another drone meeting on your audience my day. Stand up to the challenges.
Etiano your command Pimpana Pomodera to your Boamanema Kuye Pretimia top tier steady abroad consult. It was an album modena or Don 18 year bomb on a tini. Moamawi High School no Opeso Tuaso Ewaman on a Kokusia de simple. Top tier steady abroad consult Bena yet me Edward Namono Crano, almost Yalitana football and anime Jumano cry. Any munin community betimi age scholarship amount say partial full na wakwa koto addition so nya nonko o person no ko na bachelor degree koye masters postgraduate diploma and certificate no doctorate degree programs e USA Canada UK baby to Australia and afi New Zealand ne mpatamu awdona ye robe ko no akwa koye omo egbo adwuma pa omo sat no ye boache ma utwa ne ye and afi nurses no graduate and undergraduate student no e ba ne se ne no IELTS no any TOEFL no ye chemo mamo so no mo twetwe ne yonzo mo teachers no the only experience kwa na nya ni base in fie dun otwe a watramu amano ne nti ebo amadwumadi no mudi no ekọ kama ebe tro kwan kra be fa so a oba adapti to na addition na ma ko ye pere amanti top tier steady abroad consult amadwuma no mo ye na no edin opo mo e wo Ghana ha mo amon kran no Madina Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza building no omo ne Madina Polyclinic no ene di ni me number ni 0203 592 008 0203 003-592-008 and Kumasi Amakum traffic lights on Mobile Bank of Africa plus 1-646-659 5045 plus 1-646-659-5045 and a 0260-411-847 0260-411-847 na fi takrade or more eben na NK fire service or a fian kwanta kwano amoben Fijia school park and on the number ni 0598-007852 0598-007852 ni ambwa nanemankoye emfa emanti romuni ambwa na disiano ni amanda di mpemfama bafu polo abomodin ay African prints on the more DNA and wedding. My cousin designs near 20. A dear also tonkra no boama biche. Friday piano anako program biana de German city here. Your African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print run neck shirt, African print V-neck shirt. And a boutique for no and confu to ton to so free. Now on for bimbro now so ton we won't for bar. E no abi no pay houseless no money ni nkomo kakribu di twas ya bafo be ma niam ni bi na so waton agiska netimi de gu botom na aboa amajuma di na odi no so e krabe and after organizations out on say companies out on bi ti say bankers no mo Friday when I was there mo dress nice mo ye uniform no bi ba no am ampa busu akue mu juma di amudi akono e ba no schools no teachers association so no any fan clubs no mo so mo ni din sa wo so a ze mo je ne dudu abom no mo de no kra ya na obo modern eti so kama paid na package your gold package no 20 shirts or box mo silver package nyanso 15 shirts or box mo bronze package 10 shirts or box mo gold package any offer no ababi obi deliver the amawa ontwia kapede ankonam te se nso no o skaketu bia timi de tobi na nso wa hye ze ono ho kania na o kanchima na kiskia betima tata ma na busuaku no so kra no mutimi oda na se aso bia na mo de akọ jamu yo ba na be ma oboa ne dunjuma ema mo se timi combination wide delivery Ghana bibia obia bafoni ama no sabe timi aka bi yan so be frɛ no 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 at 0599 899 919 0599 899-919 Henema Kokobin do an HMO Santas or Boise Quano sono on Sa e Common Abuana Nema de Din sono etimi Eddie Ama. Yes, Ambra, and 7 of the Common Pando, Heart of Lions, or Monsomo preseason training, any or more ANHS and Part League, no mobile no Mamma Mediagro, or Miniabre Pa, and the Lion for Neres and Yama de Din Pa, netimi Eddie Amomo, now Boamanema Kui Kama Pansono, etimi Eddie Amomutisa Pepe, Namusemo, Esi Etia Ninamono, Yedi Erom Kama so etimi ramana po ahmanto to no ada yere amantin life onua no abremeze preseason no answer na be shas union season no akoye yi kakra wa brese tam na Ibrahim Danlad yanzu guso boabo no se ne obeba na waba be rama to aso abo adwuma na de ma krobia komase asante krokoto join ya unia personal training no ye no onim se ye din obeba na nyaba be rama abo amanto to na da yi pa etimi ramana na so forget ministry no mo handle or Ministry of Youth and Sport na ma unzo mo de krata bi aba na ye ho adwuma ma me wi sharp na why ye ho adwuma ma me nti ko na bra o de nya to wase ye beba ma who airlines no clarification on coach Connors contract the okay contractual payments ye beba why do the ma suffocate to anya yi na ho ohom suffocate to go there corner kuyi meba na odi madrid ramon yehu bi ono asa nkomo di ni video ma na nyenye ya na Richard Bedu abedu ko Singapore wasaba e ba beto aso di amasa mate na no omo training no mo ye na asa ne den come and see uni adege kakra ne ade a we need a Singapore moves in India. The Bedu no. Tell no. Hey, Raddy. You know yours. I know they are as a fan feel Liberia until Liberia for person be fan of the national team. No buguzu di unkomo. I mean, what is azem no? So what? Oh buguzu di unkomo. Mo mo ye kra. Sir. As any fan feel Liberia until no. omo scout na hu ni to obezo be fa no no national team part of na wasan akọ Singapore abadi zoni ade ne how no ne se de kofo ne si abre ne de no
enye bada to
sheda nya yi sa pepe ni si etie Nation FC pre-season no mate so omo be bo friend match baako e wo Burkina Faso omesa Ramos South Africa no be kwa kudi na Accra o ti omo ba ya pe na omo ba ababa be ball league no ze omo ba be du na kanda no be semiensa nan bi na league no e sha se out folks so ne ena omo so pre-season e bo mo de na sha se opoduma mu nkomo no enre me ze metete wo kakra ma ze players bi adikan aka cho omo ze omo no ye mfre wa ma ho ti obi mu omo from so omo mbra na de ni di o ma ye Benjamin York de eze omo sha se kra ni teams bi mu negotiate e kra na omo bisa teams ni ze yon kwada ne ho so omo pa na player na nya we enti as teams ne ba ko na contacting them as ya fro ye no agree personal terms no say personal terms say and I was say oh team no cry no omo ya agree fi ni ade also do munya to wase na omo so wa team na communicate to no so omo hia ni bi omo so aka cho omo so omo hia na omo terminating a contract no nko na ompeze be twema mentwene ade bia na mbo ano na ne mankuyema no ndi aza na hat folks so call maso ya nkomo ebo we ba Benjamin York so omuntimi ne nto aso bi migi rama me hwe ma on ze krata bia ba ne yefa CK Akono we no hona apostle ne akomiamram ne ma didema me koba ba so na me ne Orlando edin komo na inter schools no ya se de ne mesiti emza no pa no match se call wabobo so ane na ne so no ya crazy city e krata be no
Andra Graphic Sports the interview bi Babe Tuja concerning nomone a former Blasters coach Sika Akono na Sika Akono deny say sports ministry net to $100,000 the amano they said the minister the kind last week at the press mid the press briefing no so Akono's reaction no a trigger and komo bebre ma empuye DB was studio ha ama ya kase sa na minister the kind and na just Honorable Mustafa Isifu anyade ani ade. So the sports ministry was forced to also come out to clear the air and then state the fact. Say bibi esiketue mu na fasika akona ho a na so omo ana omo to me say omo timi si ne pain na omo ka ne pain because omo ana omo to eska no. So omo the statement pa bonten a statement no detail the payments or my to coach Sika Akono since FNN in say on Blasters coach be name say statement na e krada into what kind of screen is wow here with TV or here with Facebook I'll be home say Ministry of Youth and Sports statement about Bontia Endra date 31st July 2023 and so a tasso na a statement no a headlined with clarification on coach Akono's contractual payment. Now, making kind of say the attention of the Ministry of Youth and Sports has been drawn to publications in the media regarding an amount of money owed to former coach of the Black Stars, Charles Koblan Akono, following the termination of his contract. No, so say, Sports Ministry and Ministry of Youth and Sports, no, or more enyan NTS, Nyoma Elkoso, concerning a publication a war media names a media ne kasaye about a car ye day a former coach which is Sika Akono no say ye in a contract no ye defining him was it in response to the claims made by coach Akono in the said publications. The ministry would like to clarify the details of the payment transactions in accordance with the agreement between him and the Ghana Football Association. No, so more anu ye say omo reacted to sa publications no omo pese omo siso na omo mo bia adwemu ye ne clear se sika omo tua edi amako Sika Akono enam agreement a oni GFA no enyae enti ektoaso se payment transactions. Upon the termination of Coach Akono's contract, he was paid an amount of 318,378.41 Ghana cedis, equivalent to $54,054.06 at a rate of 5.89. That is $1.
Yes.
This payment was disbursed on the 22nd of October 2021. On the 10th of February 2022. He received an amount of 335,675.71 Ghana cedis, equivalent to $54,054.06 at a rate of 6.21 cedis to the dollar. On the 12th of January 2023, an amount of 860,000, equivalent to 100,000, was disbursed at a rate of 8.60 cedis to the dollar. On the 27th of July 2023, an amount of $30,000 was paid by check, which he declined and instead requested for a bank transfer. The said transfer has been effected on Monday, the 31st of July 2023. A total amount of $508,108.12 has been paid, leaving an outstanding balance of $220,000. Contractual agreement. The detailed provisions of a contractual agreement between Coach Charles Koblan Akono and the Ghana Football Association is available and can be used as reference for verification. The Ministry of Youth and Sports would like to assure Coach Akono and the public that we have always been committed to fulfilling our contractual obligations. Into way for ministry ne wa omode baba and says omuchema omutueche sikadi amako sika Akono na October 22nd 2021 omutu sika ye 318,378 Ghana cedis. As that time na dollar no $54,000 akakra bi so count edema Coach Akono. February 2022 and so mutu ya 335,675 Ghana cedis and also equivalent to $54,054. And to cover the first one nimwa na so mutu ya 108,000 $100 something and omutu ya dem Coach
Akono. No contract termination.
Yep. Until October 21 ne February 22 no omutu ya together 108,000 and some $100 and some dollars.
Okay.
Good. Then 12th of January no almost answer to $100,000. Edema Coach Akono. But mutu ya ni cedis mo, which is 860,000. But mutu ya pe omo the rate no omo di tuya. Until at that time, 8.60. And at 27 July, yeah, so omo yesan komutia $30,000 the amount of check. But now coach no up a bank transfer. Until no moki kabo mo Monday no 31st July omo di bank transfer no. But minister ne be kasa wie no. Ade chen no mpesa komutia skama.
Oh, okay.
30,000 na coach no up a bank transfer mutia no enra edemano. So si ko mutia the amount no from their statement ne Canada by $230 something $1,000.
Yeah.
But almost
580.
Exactly 580.
So I'm figure no me ma share ma we ni clear. Let me hu eno no ama me ma share me pa. Pause ask can there. Anya clear.
Debbie, because per the omo kan no. Sika ometua na sa o ka bo mu a abu $230 something $230,000 something. Or they have 54. Yan round the figures new of and $54,000.
Yes.
$54,000. Okabo mo saying $108,000. No mutia $100,000. On so cabo mo saying 208 plus $30,000. 238.
So where from that
exactly
508,000
exactly.
100 and then
but that $200,000 no krom so mutia no they paid in cedis. And to be named sa CD equivalent per the exchange rate no money coach ne kind what they are two different things.
We disagree with that because his problem is that almost using the Bank of Ghana rate, which there's a big difference between that rate and the commercial rate.
Yeah.
And I can say that is where he's always had a problem with them. Say and one because Sebastian and the scandal so I
at it. Yeah. About all the Bank of Ghana DNA and now cool issue check as a
different.
Tiabane say you but me nim sa figure we know 500 and you know. Sa me nim baby as figure me nim baby as 518
provide clarity when it comes to 580
no because because clear yeah that's you kabo me clear
ade chain
will be am correct no
so nya botre I mean even see I think that day be look who issue a public statement it's not about just you so making sure say one kasa obe go through who have obi so or no so be go through
exactly
obi call more senior because we are representing a ministry
that was where they buy and prepare home Over team the bay, we go over to spend 1 week crowd.
Yeah. Big crowd
even if it's a day,
even it's a day,
it should be put to scrutiny.
And na man, that 500 and Saturday, there's a
it's very important.
It is
about Uzi Dinia, then Bigby another. Bigby, and I come free Bigby Nena.
Because it is said that they've made some other payment via or man CNP was statement way more. And then our carbon will go to 508,000 no. They make a
what they can provide
exactly.
First clarity. But
the chronology of payment no.
Now see you all connected in the car confusing.
I think they had in the car 7 months or so.
7 months. And I don't know month to be alone, you say. $25,000.
It is
25,000. Bonus is money allowance.
Then find Rolly crown 25,000 by 7 months now. That is $175,000.
But see you all qualify for AFCON.
Yeah.
It is our bonuses in also
bonus.
But I don't think that because before Becca oh you be I've always maintained this position. I saw dream. These are the challenges. I just saw in a dikeke. Obi our contract. Oko in India. Ni na bebe because AFCON bonus. Share Obet Maker as a team at home or crown. Maybe I will do semi-final and final.
Yes.
What is the base on? So you pay bonuses say be home here.
I think CK Crampon they started World Cup qualifiers.
Oh, he started.
I started. World Cup
qualifiers. Started a World Cup qualifiers.
So it's sad.
As some more kind run say CK the no graphics sports they no say Sikana minister need to din say omotuama no $100,000 no. Enye sa na tie. Aso omotua $100,000 nem fa man. Na minister ne pa on concoje contract no GFA ni one no nhwem. Now what understanding do I derive from this? It means that per the arrangement between the FA and CK Akono, there is a particular exchange rate
yes, which he has maintained. Yesterday when I spoke, he made that clear. Also, there's a big disparity between Scanon money and yes. No, yes.
Because Semenia Akomia contract. Oh, Mimetua Okasi. And the negotiations were done by the GFA and Akono, not the sports ministry. The GFA acted on behalf of the sports ministry by negotiating. The ministry will only pay here. It's in common and your ministry in any day. So if there will be any payment to that effect, it should be referenced from the arrangement and negotiations. Contract Benny and then the sign is $25,000 now. At which rate, exchange rate value near D2. So what am I saying? Because I mostly on a flat. Ebia, a flat figure of 9 CD to the dollar. Into $1 be an 9 CD, I a flat rate at the atom. And then you found say within the year, dollar never fluctuate and I say about appreciate it. And found what they do the answer you fix it. And to year nimri in an Uchiana can say pepe now the Tuanica. So and that is the arrangement then. Say time I would done a quino corner. You only reference that particular arrangement. But here, no, we are having two different scenarios. The FNN and the Kaya or Mudituanica. Sikani yen tuya, and a car would dimio. And so, can I would demino near fixed dollar at what rate? And $9 are 9 CDs are 9 CDs equal to $1. And to them, cut $25,000. I only multiply by saying 9. Yeah. But in the statement of the ministry, well 5.60 and then 6 point something.
I think so they do from the ministry they pay it based on the current
and Kenya Bonesa. But was that the original arrangement with CK?
And Bank of Ghana rate, but
so
and Michael, you see,
but contract
in terms of contract, look. Milo Stevanovic, look, I was privy to those contracts. What is even done? Coaches will say, $2 on found. But so better equivalent in local currency, I'll be making sure that it should be the current rate. We are very much particular about that.
About the say, I don't know, so the was a son or Mokono.
Yes.
About the young man there, to say an amicu case, I don't know, you sign contract and at that time na dollar no 6. Now even cry me G2 na the shapes are. Na kwa could do we na. Fama bi no me hu ne say magia tundo. Ba have you.
Yes,
but so I don't think they about so say you dey cry the background help you sign.
Because
we all come sign.
And Sikano
about who you sure the professional could be sign Adam.
No, and Sikano. It was not paid in dollars.
Cities.
They were paid in cities. Until you convert it. Then, so the ministry is converting per the omomo year. Two parties here. The orgy scan. Or you are aware the ministry need to know. Omoka said they are paying at this rate.
Sompa Sports.
2021 October they paid at a rate of 5.89. Mean whenever ye rates no cry, it has been closer to that. In the last 3 Ghana cedi to the dollar. Abu, let's be realistic. The closest the cedi has come to catching up with the dollar has been from 8 cedis. It is even at the bank of BOG rate, Akosra at Eswatia is 7. But as of 2021, the closing quarter of 2021,
5.89.
Now Utia 5.89. It is a bit sketchy kakra. Then fast forward, Odiaba, the first quarter of 2022, it jumps to 6.21.
Last year dollar there was about.
This is 2022.
As a last year, I think dollar was fluctuating around 78 cedis.
So this is the first quarter of 2022, 6.21. No one really see this. And the coach no continue see this. Now this is where the whole thing comes in. Okojini see this. It was a $1 into Utiamame, if I'm saying a 1 million Ghana cedis. But I am supposed to get around $100,000. Into 1 million cedis, a media. Now me kwa $1 this is a abu. Menyano a close to $90,000. That is the 1 million cedis. So menya a shortfall of $10,000, which is enough. That is the whole understanding. No, it is Sikano Mutia in Ghana cedis eson.
But on the core dollar,
exactly, and only will be a science ana.
As a one dino crama.
As a 1 year fair.
One dino crama nipa.
May not fair. May you preview to the contract between Sika Kono and the GFA based on the exchange rate. Mudishim, what I say fixed, and I say be your man France shame in that particular circumstance. But what's the DBOG are buying penny for? I'm not trying to defend I don't know where near right. But I nyansa because omunu delay. They feel so we are paying from the coffers of the government. And government deals with BOG. It is only BOG soon delay there. We do it every single rate at BOG ne deal pretty. Baby so anko kwalaji hoso we chiro on malaji susu beje the 12 cedis dollar bako. And alaji beton the 13 cedis bako. And these are things that are going forward no. I believe say your coach is now sign contract now you look at coach Krampo now koya. You need to be very careful about such minute details. And you're so much happy about the opportunity, which me I may tell you good. Say the mawa, you'll be happy when you bet me ko Black Star coach me ko say. But the little details are you're very clear about it in making sure so we can take things on no. Very much important. Maybe Sika kono bit me ka maybe the real contract between or no any GFN which I want to be privy to it. Mike, be Kabinyasika kono contract na kebe available. Say we need to know the exact exchange rate they agreed upon in it. And yes, government never found at the arena. Because idea that we say no. So one fan shape the government not found arena, which the government is not being fair to Sika kono. Personally, me they are not being fair to Sika kono. But what found the arena no. Oh, can say.
So this is the February 2022 exchange rate.
Nah, that's it.
Now. The cedi to the dollar was 6.60. 2022.
Almost half a win on to scenario.
Yeah, 2022.
February
6.6.
6.6.
Yeah.
And away 6.21. It's BOGD.
And this directly from the Bank of Ghana's website. Yeah, I mean, quote from anywhere. Make me screenshot their Bank of Ghana. www.bog.gov.gh.
Now, 2021 also.
2021, the enemy ba.
Abazo.
Unim. So why don't the Bank of Ghana pay him the dollars? Yes. It's no point. Ghana dollar even now. I don't see the essence of all this. I'm telling you the truth. And it's the first
we are transaction we Ghana.
Please.
Miki, mama come as we all make us. I'm not supposed to mama come as we are mama cars are because they are yellow gray. That's about what we are
campaign in dollars. Government can deal in dollars.
Ghana dollars even.
And there are many contracts awarded here. You're stating in dollars, it is paid in dollars.
Sebiu, how much is Siki economic money? Yen is dollar. A country that deals in millions, billions.
$25 million. It was paid for a communications ministry contract.
Now,
in dollars.
In dollars.
That's how you know, Jayo.
Oh, Masa, one kato.
Now
we bed as $2 million. Listen, the point is that
about the bed bass. We do $2 million that a bed. I will Ghana.
And I would say issue
Remember, coffee you should be by.
Apostle, I say issue and then the way was what would be
say. But the point is,
oh, we $2 million for
that. Of course, we will be on my now
Mentere, me apostle kai me nim so bu $2 million for the pass.
Related to the former sanitation minister.
What said that pass?
Ne house helps we are no from the fee $1 million, 300,000 euros. E woni fee.
E woni fee. E wo kroma.
David.
Afghanistan
Crop biggie. Crop come on Abuja. I was but call man so brother. I say me see Kumasi Baba.
Look, the contract is available. But I don't see why the contract is available. The contract is available. So the ministry, why not just pick the contract and follow the details of the contract. And even the payment. What is the communication between the FE and only between the FE and the ministry? Where any issue? This is not any of the first time that the federation to the ministry have hired a coach. That's why I have a problem. Where any issue? It's not supposed to be an issue. I don't see why we should be worrying ourselves. But for
$1 million Ghana. Same way they are ready.
Oh, be a person in this bank. So yes, I know they don't fault. Obo on person in this bank. Me auntie was Kabi even when I was me auntie was Kabi on the fee those days. Yes, Obo the bank system is a frustrate people, the pressure and the stress. Uko you sika until look and Kobe Bruska or Mufi. Yeah, so I'm not going to the other issues of Nipa. Minim ni enti odi chef so I can go, but I'm saying that based on experience minim ko force ka for omo ska share fee.
Mami ndi komo mbra. Orlando na bibi abo call there. Hello Orlando. Orlando Timenka. Oh, Mary, na makona mini Orlando akwa koto aba. Banyame ntie say Simpson lady 2 goals to nil. First half. Ewo baba na ye hwe ni we ya. Na Amas Abdul Ghazali. Amas dey ko muti ni ani zo mu ye yi ni we yo. Na me say dey ko no.
Sandra Chire Abdul Ghazali bibi kakra bi watu. First half 2-0. First half 2-0 Sims. And we be history. Because Sims mundru this particular stage Krampoda.
Na first half one man.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And is Sandra Boachi?
Former U20 fabulous ladies. The last time I was case Enya bronze medal war Milo Games no na yon.
Wow.
Yeah, 2 years ago. So 3 years ago, baba.
And I was Sunday Sims.
What's our Sims? And I did Sims ever.
Orlando to Orlando Jinasu did in Kwa. Minim date our chuma. Me so 55 so me pon. I made a brabra me farm call us in the Kakrawai. 0551931931 0548931931 0548931931 Tiago me abra. Na yem 55 kakra ansana ye ya. Udi ane baby afrefi.
Amejo challenge good year.
Yes sir.
Me mo chala premier kokos for the entire thing so.
Kwa we go.
International la premier mo about so dey get ya go for chawo bojuma. Na me kam da part wa dey 12 February nya po jara ku te matin. You two pass no dey na some dey kala me chia. Player do da ko so me ntia den bo two pa na. E dey ntia. Sika dey amafo bi go mo pass ni. Yes. He can't go among bombers, let's get it. What is a Monday? na kumase sa to go and they are going for baso or my papa buy a jelly block and we say sa to gina and nobody na be ko na ko yes na so na be come and
Mate me da se pa odiani baby afrefi.
Good morning, Abu National.
Kwe, yako.
Yeah. Fast things for your best normal. 20 years no. I know see. We be decide it men sane no more nke ka wono. We so no. Seriously, near you. Se see you didn't to pay our Ghana. It to go to no one test me be maintain no more. And now last season no more yeah e ko pa no Takao Mohammed was here. Manab Kuma e Pamon was here. After the year ko Manab I was one man. It yes Omu players no adwuma. Coach bia the philosophy. It is a radio one to 3 years and get there or ban so to see. We could make a banga.
Mate me da se pa odiani baby afrefi.
Hello, my good morning.
Yes, odiani baby afrefi.
Me va sa pomba ko de.
Me won ye pa.
Me va sa ko ni ka sa speak in tempo.
About me too.
Yeah, but some passports the informal sports ya kono papa. Ning na baso. So my sports ya kono pa.
Mate me da se pa odiani baby afrefi. Alright, mama na me fa ba community bia wanom. About odiani baby afrefi.
Hello.
Yes, odiani baby afrefi.
I'm going to do a bit of break.
About me too.
Papa was my Ghana.
Oh, mate, me na me fa obi wa na yenko. Odiani baby afrefi.
So I don't consider it.
Hello, Gazavi.
I don't consider it.
About your saman kesi meet you. Meet you fra low TV no na team one yenko wa meet you.
Because of this, I'm going to.
And I'm so damn meet you.
The man you the normal sign. The defensive minister that I got on sign to on the in Castle of Fua and Ethiopia.
Mate, me so me da se pa odiani baby afrefi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes sir.
Unya Solomon.
Solo yango.
Nana from Thomas say what you man regano. I'm morning every day for number so when I'm chair the vice president, Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Baumia, and I have the Kojun cancer, and some Thomas Ameman. Many Akumian and Akumia many about a year in Nigeria, a player, one Razia, and Arab person between. Who say I feel like piano only PTO. Uncle Arab funding how pay a wobble, every now football career no baby. No more do old woman no Kojusika. Koja say, but plenty of wood to picky swap in a bubble ball upon the year. No more woman, security will know or my job is and you must say many yards. I meant to only woman, more security, more and then a career because how they call the end career and I and they don't know. Medase.
Martin so medas who diani baby afrefi. Hello.
Hello.
Ya diani baby afrefi. Hello. Oh, said line for boy. Baba Joe Diani baby Alfrefi.
Hello.
Yeah, Kwabi Pongo Niana. Oh, so for one young court, so for one young court.
My minister will be your phone was free now. The honest of our bit of them, from my two band. Now, Abu, your best day in Retro. Yaman no great. Your heart in your good, any players. Yes, and one man has coach me players, no one to me, and 30 pieces in my better Yamba, I do league in the bit my jersey and I so. I will make the
Mantle Zuni Yamentra, Diani baby Alfrefi. Hello. About Joe meet you. Can be meet you.
And you can't go on this kind of way and say, Brunini and Kobe in the summer and and I after my camera, some of the man I'm from the Adala could be covered the man at 2021 and 2020 and Kobe in this kind of project by the next 2023. Over $60 and $1 by $62, originally I project and I went to.
Mate, Medase Pau, Diani baby Alfrefi. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'll din baby Alfrevi.
Yeah, a friend from me kasa free tafa.
Baba show me too.
Na nyamisha mo oya there. I like guy back na aya the news to test me ba no foreign to friend na the transfer.
Why bodu?
Pictures no Ghana Premier pictures no me dem no mo je league no but mo ya to folk and kotoko top 5 but me dem no je league dem mo kan about kotoko na ha so mo nya je league mo to. But you are in the bank on my
Jaman, who's there asking the Kotoko? Do you there? You're remember near Barcelona? No. Tino say, "You have a Buana League, you know, by Jeba Kufa, by Chess or ya dear Chomo." Timesroa, and they are engine.
Minister Bugana, so Omuya can say about recent to them margin, the more car, no, no more the mark.
Say, or ever ye, the Amana, when you're come upon Nana Makui, Grammar, you're fancy one. And I'm in Fabaco. Demon call one and two another. Okay. Udiani baby Alfrevi.
Listen, what you are
I don't meet you.
so I don't go.
No, yeah, pa.
I mean, I said, you know,
Yeah. Oh, Dabi. Oh, as I bought me a con dear and country, why? I do an honor.
Oh, yeah, that's too much. Nobody gets a nobody gets a big.
Our those only I'm a tray of our puna vehicle. Now, the Akibia to us of Mama.